what we found out about these top 5 vacuum cleaners. Welcome back to another Butler review, where we're reviewing the top 5 best vacuum cleaners on the market. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to get more reviews of top products. If you're watching this video, you may be looking to buy or upgrade your vacuum cleaner. We've got the top 5 best vacuum cleaners lined up, and we're going to break down their pros, cons, and affordability. So let's get started. First up, we have the Shark PowerDetect Upright Vacuum. The Shark PowerDetect Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a heavy-duty vacuum with powerful suction designed for pet hair pickup. It features duo clean technology and a HEPA filter, making it ideal for both carpets and hard floors. It automatically adjusts modes when it detects dirt, senses edges and corners, and changes floor types. It's versatile, converting to a handheld vacuum for cleaning stairs and upholstery. And it comes with a HEPA filter to trap allergens and dust. However, it is a bit heavy at over 17 pounds and it's on the expensive side, priced around $499. Next up, we have another Shark vacuum, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Upright Vacuum is a versatile and powerful vacuum cleaner designed for both carpets and hard floors. It's also budget-friendly at around $159 and includes a HEPA filter. On the downside, it has a shorter cord and lacks some advanced features.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Now let's talk about the Dyson Gen5Detect cordless vacuum. This vacuum offers outstanding suction power and comes with a laser headlight to illuminate hidden dirt. It has a long battery life of up to 70 minutes and features a HEPA filter. But it's quite expensive at around $949 and heavier than other cordless models. Next up is the Tineco Pure One Station 5. The Tineco Pure One Station 5 cordless smart vacuum is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool designed for both hard floors and carpets. The pros is it offers strong suction, smart detection technology, and a large dustbin that can hold up to 60 days of dust. However, it's priced at around $399. One of the concerns of this vacuum is that hair can sometimes stick to the dustbin door. Finally, we have the Ecovacs Deebot T30S Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop. Cleans everything effortlessly. The Deebot T30S Combo includes a powerful robot vacuum for floors and a handheld vacuum for other surfaces and facades, all in one docking station. Enjoy a clean home from floor to furniture effortlessly. Advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance experience a thorough and uninterrupted clean with the Deebot T30S. True Detect 3D 3.0 avoids obstacles with precision, while True Mapping 2.0 maps your home quickly. Its powerful 11,000 PA suction, driven by advanced motor and airflow technology, makes cleaning carpets effortless. Enjoy spotless floors throughout your home without the hassle. Control your Deebot with ease, using voice commands or a simple foot touch to start cleaning. Works across Apple Watch and smartphone widgets and dynamic island for seamless control from anywhere. Alexa is also supported. So there you have it, the top 5 best vacuum cleaners. Each of these vacuums has its own strengths, weaknesses, and cost. So the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.